Hello friends, today my agenda is that how to deploy Angular plus ASP.NET Core plus SQL database application in Azure. Let's start step by step, and you can see that here this is my API and this is my Angular part here. Online queues.web and API. This is my API, and I want to deploy on both on Azure. Let's start. And first one, you have to remember that you have to Azure account, and after getting Azure account you can see that your home page app service option, and just click here app service option, and showing here create button, just click on this one, and you can see that here a create web app look like just subscription. Now I'm using here free trial, and create default resource group, and put here your app name like online quiz or demo, and showing here two option publish code Docker container. Now I'm using code, and runtime stack, just click on here and select here .NET 6, .NET 5, .NET Core 3.1 like that. And operating system, now you can select Linux or Windows. Now I'm using here Windows. Okay, and showing here SKU and size, showing here SKU and size free F1. You can see that here, and review plus create, and we can see that here resource group name online quiz demo code .NET Core 3.1 like that, and 1 GB SKU free shared infrastructure and application insight enable, and just click on create. Now you can see that here, and submitting deployment processing is ongoing, deployment in progress, you can see that here, and it will be take around 1 or 2 minutes. Your deployment is completed, done, and just click on app service here, and we can see that here online queues. Just refresh your page once, and online queues demo, you can see that here, and you can see that here all the and main window of these things like that, and click here URL, and you can see that here your and URL is accessible right now, Microsoft Azure app, just now deployment center like that. And now I want to deploy application on this, so it's very simple, and you can see that here, and this is my Visual Studio Code. In this Visual Studio Code I open my project here. My project location is that, and in Azure also showing here, you can see that here, and at the free trial version, and we can see that here which app service I have created, online quiz demo also showing here in Visual Studio Code. And this my project path here, online quiz dot web client app src, and just run command here ng build, and now my project start to build, and wait for some times around 1-2 minutes. And now we can see that here my ng build has been successfully. And after that, online queue demo this app service, right click on this app service like that and deploy to web app like that. And browse. And after that, online queue web is my folder, and inside the client app showing here list folder, select this one and select like that and deploy. And now you can see that deploying starting. It will take some time. That here deployed successfully done on my online queue demo, and just click here browse website. And once click on browse website, and you can see that here and your running application. And now application is running successfully. You can see that here with SSLA. Okay, you can see that here application is run successfully. Your jobs UGC net like that test online queues, but loading is showing right now. Why? And where behind this reason is that now not deploying my API. I have deployed only web application Angular part. So you can see that on console showing some errors like that. So let's start. Two things now is pending. First one is SQL database. Now I am creating first one SQL database. Once SQL database created successfully, and after that we will be start on API side. Simply click on SQL database. Here hello friends, and you can see that here your home page showing here SQL database. Just click on this one SQL database, and click here create one SQL database, and open here a window for creating SQL server, and just like it here, and create default resource group free trial, database name like that online app demo, and scroll down this one and showing here SQL elastic pool yes or no, and standard SO configure database. Suppose that I want to use and the basic like that, select here basic for less and for maximum 2 GB, and we can and reduce size for this DB like that and apply. And you can see that here 100 MB, and the three options showing here your redundancy, backup storage, zone redundancy, and just review and please create one at 359.58 cost per month around for free trial in free trial as well as. And you can see that here your database name online app demo and online queues like that. Just create your database look like. Yeah, submitting deployment in ongoing processes, and it will be take some time and wait. And your database is deployment in progress. You can see that here, and deployment in progress, it will be take some time around 1 to 2 minutes, and once it will complete, and it's showing in SQL database from in home page, deployment in progress, and online quiz. And this is a a deployment success. You can see that here, go to resource like that, and you can see that here your SQL database showing look like. And suppose that you in your home page, just home page, you can see that here online quiz demo, SQL database, online quiz demo, as well as online quiz, like that database, SQL database. Just click on this link here, and you can see that here your database. Just refresh this one, and online quiz demo look like. And you can see that here connection string. Just click on connection string in left side. You can see that here only connection string, which one connection string you have to use in app setting.json. And one remember point you have to know about that. And once your ASP.NET Core application and node is working on Azure after deploy, then you have to set server firewall 1.2 default, allow Azure service and resource to access the server. Yes, should we cross check here, yes or no? If it's no, please click here yes, it's working fine. And your database part has been completed, and your database has been and created successfully. And I have already and display you a connection string. This connection string we have to use in app setting.json in here, in app setting.json. App setting.json we have to change here connection string, and connection string you have to change here. And after that, and now I'm start deploying ASP.NET Core API. Now I'm starting ASP.NET Core API. One, I have already created API, online quiz API. API we can create similar like that, online quiz demo. I have already created app online quiz demo. Starting of this application, you can see that all steps similar like that. You can create an API like that. Just I have created this API. Okay, this is my API, and you can see that here in my API side, this is my API. I want to deploy on this particular application. In app setting, we can change SQL database. In now I am deploying ASP.NET Core API on app service. You can change your tab connection string here, DB connection string here, and which API connection string we have discussed in SQL database connection string. And just right click on this one, and in startup.cs here, file, you can change your policy, and because cross origin policy, and change here, paste your website URL like that, because online quiz demo.azure website.net. This is right now our and demo environment, right? This application I want to access this API. So, and right click on this API, click here publish button, and just click here, and you can see that here online quiz API already showing here. But and now I'm starting from starting, just Azure, click next, and your app service next, and you have already login here, and click on default online quiz app API, just this one, and finish. Waiting for some time, and just click here on publish, and now successfully. you can see that here this message showing here published successfully. Just and my application online huge demo, just refresh this one and let's try. I think it's possible, it's working fine. And wait 1 to 2 seconds because application is right now running. And you can see that here application running successfully. Thank you so much watching this video. This application has been run successfully. You can see that here online के huge demo application run with API with SQL database. Thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel, and if you like this video, please also. Thank you so much watching this video. And you can see that here application running is successfully with ASP.NET Core API and Angular part plus SQL database, Azure SQL database. If have any query related to this video, please write down comment. And if have any issue related for this whole scenario, please comment also. And if you are facing any issue, please also comment. I will be try to and give a proper solution. If you facing any issue related to this, like your application is working on local environment but not working on and deploy environment, so I'm also creating same video for related this. And if you learn how to create a project architectures like that, just I have created API layer, repository design pattern, how to work, and ASP.NET Core. Please also comment. I will be try to and share a particular link for this video. Thank you so much watching this video.